Tourism. Why is this economic activity important for the Caribbean? This is a short tutorial explaining this topic. Tourism. What is tourism? This is defined as a tertiary sector or industry or economic activity which provides a service for people who travel from one place to another to visit on vacation or holiday. Now, there are various types of tourism: ecotourism, heritage tourism, domestic tourism, medical tourism, business tourism, sports tourism, and regional and international tourism. Research each one of these to view their differences. There are various attractions to the Caribbean. For example, the climate. We are tropical all year round, and this is a bonus. There are also various attractions, for example, natural ones, such as Harrison's Cave in Barbados, and historical ones, for example, Fort George in Grenada. There are various cultural attractions, for example, Crop Over in Barbados, and the carnivals that are done in other Caribbean territories. The Caribbean is relatively politically stable compared to other countries and easily accessible to various markets throughout the world. There are accommodations for the varying types of visitors to the countries, as well as mostly disease-free compared to other exotic locations. There are various reasons for tourism growth within the Caribbean, and these are just a few: cheaper flights and cruises, exposure through technology, increased disposable income, more awareness about the Caribbean and the various products that can be given or seen or provided, and lower crime rates compared to other countries. There are some challenges, for example, competition from other destinations, damage to the environment, heavy dependency on the sector, an increase in the number of illegal economic activities, natural disasters, for example, hurricanes and earthquakes, an increased cost of living for the locals, and the locals feeling like second-class citizens within their own countries. There are a few advantages and disadvantages of tourism in the Caribbean. The advantages: employment. Many persons are employed within the tourism sector. There's also an increase in linkage industries. For example, farmers and fishermen may have contracts with hotels to provide their produce. An increase in foreign exchange, thus increasing the amount of money that is gained by the governments. The multiplier effect, whereby the money gained by visitors visiting these countries can be used to improve roads and schools and water, as well as increase different or smaller businesses. This leads to an overall increase in the standard of living for the locals. However, there are some disadvantages, whereby damage to the environment, whereby coral reefs can be broken off by visitors to be kept as souvenirs, or damage to physical buildings, graffiti on historical monuments. A heavy dependency on this sector is a great disadvantage, and this was seen during the height of COVID when many persons were either laid off or reduced in their working hours. Many social issues, for example, an increase in crime and violence. There's also a heavy capital dependence on this sector for many of the Caribbean countries. This leads to an overall increase in the cost of living for the locals, and this leads to other social issues. Here are a few points to think about. In what ways is the availability of technology impacting on tourism in the Caribbean? How could Caribbean countries maximize tourism sector? What factors can be considered to ensure that the natural environment is not damaged as tourism develops in the Caribbean region? These are some points that you can think about. Jot your answers down. Go over the different types of tourisms that were mentioned earlier and see how these can also have an impact on each Caribbean country.